Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a full walk around the Spotify Camp Nou to see the latest progress across the stadium. A lot of different areas showed work today, from structural improvements to interior finishing touches, so we'll go section by section. It's exciting to see how each corner of the stadium is shaping up, and today's tour will give you a detailed look at what's happening behind the fences. On the side where the aluminum slats are being installed, crews were adding new lamas today. The work is progressing steadily, and each new slat helps complete the facade. Workers were carefully positioning and securing them to ensure alignment and stability. This section is starting to show its final look, and it's clear that the finishing touches are moving forward consistently. At the north goal, the work on the stairs, the squadra frames, and the main structure is almost finished. Most of the heavy elements are already in place, and crews were making final adjustments to ensure everything is secure. Some platforms have been removed, while a few spots still show crews actively working on smaller pieces. You can also notice that the area feels much more organized compared to last week. Down near the parking ramp, the formwork is moving quickly. Workers were setting new panels, securing supports, and preparing the area for concrete pouring. This section has been progressing steadily all week, but today, the activity was noticeably more intense. The reinforcement bars are already in place, and the ramp is slowly taking its final shape. Pillars and upper sections across several parts of the stadium, the upper portions of multiple pillars still need to be concreted. Steel reinforcement bars are in place, but the final pour hasn't been done yet. Workers were measuring the alignment and making sure everything is ready for concrete. Some of the pillars are already partially completed. Once these upper sections are finished, the overall framework will feel much more solid. In South Goal, the last section of the third voladizo was being concreted today. This step is crucial because it completes the upper tier, giving the structure more stability. You can see crews working carefully with concrete pumps, making sure the flow reaches every corner. Once it sets, the upper area will be completely covered. In the Tribuna zone, workers continued installing Rockwool insulation along with the glass supports that will hold the facade panels. The work is progressing steadily, and each layer of insulation adds both structural strength and thermal protection. Crews were focused on aligning the panels properly, ensuring that everything fits perfectly. At the Diamond Café area, 8 new supports were installed, and more are scheduled to be added soon. These supports will hold the glass panels that form part of the modern look of the cafe. The upper portion of this area will extend as soon as the remaining supports are installed. Workers were also aligning the pieces carefully, making sure the installation is accurate and strong. On the lateral side, progress was steady but visible. Crews were adjusting metal frames and securing smaller structural pieces along the walkway. Some areas still show gaps where more elements will be added, but overall the section looks cleaner and more defined than earlier in the week. Workers were checking alignment, tightening joints, and making small adjustments to ensure stability. Even minor fixes make a big difference as the project moves forward. That wraps up today's tour around the stadium. Each section had something new happening, and it's amazing to see how the work is moving forward piece by piece. If you're enjoying this coverage, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching today's detailed update.